So today we're going to show you a little demo about how to use a knife properly. We got 4 of knives right here. So
Yeah, this is called a serrated knife. This is a paring knife. That's a chef's knife. And a peeler.
yeah. So obviously we need a cutting board to cut all the stuff that we're going to use for the demo. And then we use the wet paper towels underneath the cutting board so it won't move around when we're actually cutting all the stuff.
Awesome. So these are some knives that are pretty common in kitchens, but you know, if you look at a bunch of knives, you might not know which ones to use when cutting certain foods. So that's what we're going to explain a little bit about today. So that chef knife that we showed at the beginning, this is one that you're going to use most of the time probably. So it's just for you know, like vegetables or fruits or for cutting meat. And you want to make sure that you have a good grip on the handle, and you keep your tip of the knife on the cutting board when cutting. And this just helps it keep it stable and lessens the risk for cutting yourself. So you just slice it through, add some pressure, it cuts very nicely. Love a chef's knife. And then if you have, like, say just a slice of an apple or something small that you want to cut, then maybe you can use a paring knife, which is that little knife that we talked about at the beginning. And this is just for more delicate cuts. You know, if you feel like that big knife is going to be in the way or cumbersome at the beginning. And then
And we do have this knife. People call it bread knife because we use this for mostly bread or something soft like tomatoes and bread.